I'm Jonathan Schulteis, financial advisor in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I'm in my second year of Strategic Coach. Since joining Strategic Coach, my business is probably 25%, but more importantly than that, my free days are up 4 or 5 times.
It's all the little things that add up to the big things with Strategic Coach over the past 5 years for me. The people that are in a class, the thoughts, really changing my mindsets, really changing the way I think.
I'm literally in a comic book today because I've had an 8-year journey to work with my hero, Dan Sullivan.
Thank you to my Strategic Coach family for having these quarterly meetings that we get to come to Toronto for. Love the quarterly meetings, love everything that Coach has helped do for me personally and professionally. Look forward to so much more.
You can make changes and you can get input from unbelievable people.
I am on the first leg of my epic journey to get to Strategic Coach. I'm currently on the Gold Coast in Australia. Planes, trains and automobiles, cruise ships ahead.
Connecting with other entrepreneurs that share the same need to grow the business.
I've changed a lot by prioritizing. I've made sure that I'm doing the things that I love to do and what I'm good at.
It's all good. Again, we're excited. We're going to coach. We're supposed to learn some stuff.
What does it mean to be a coach? It means to hold yourself accountable, to have new ideas and open, and to be forward thinking and positive about the things you got done and not focused on the things you don't get done.
All done the work for today. It's time to get in the car and head to the airport and fly to Toronto. Yay. Yo, you know it! Hey.
I am on my way to my second ever Strategic Coach meeting. I'm currently on the runway here in Tel Aviv, Israel, heading over to London. It's been a mad dash. I actually got married 5 days ago.
So there we go. I've said goodbye to the family, which is hard. It's tough for me to be away from them for pretty much a couple of weeks. But ultimately, I'm doing this for them. I'm doing this to have the skills to better serve my clients and ultimately better serve my family.
They are seeing me off to LA for my first Strategic Coach session. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to join the organization for years now. Finally pulled the trigger. I couldn't be more excited to join my fellow entrepreneurs and learning how to build a better business and a better life. So I will see you all there.